Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get a Slack webhook URL. Want to send messages to Slack from your website or app, you'll need a Slack webhook URL, a simple way to post content directly into channels. And here's how to generate a Slack webhook in under 2 minutes. In this video tutorial, I'll give you the instructions, the informations, and the tips on how to do that. Now let's start by following these instructions step by step. The first step is to go to slack.api incoming webhooks, and to do that, just visit your web browser and type in the search bar api.slack.com/messaging/webhooks. After that, make sure you sign in using your account's credentials. Once you sign in, click on Create Your Own App. The second step is to create an app, and to do that, select Create an App from scratch and name your app and choose the Slack's workspace to install it in. After that, enable the webhooks. Now in the left menu, click on Incoming Webhooks and toggle the switch on. After that, add a webhook to the channel by scrolling down and clicking Add New Webhook to Workspace and choose a channel, for example #general, and click on Allow. The fifth step is to copy your webhook URL. Slack will now show you a webhook URL. Copy it, and now you can send post requests to that URL to send messages to your Slack channel. Use tools like Zapier, make Integromat, or custom code with curl or Python to post updates, and never expose your webhook URL. Treat it like a password. Slack webhook are the fastest way to automate messages from your tools and apps. Now that you've set yours up, your Slack is ready for real-time updates. And this was it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.